Tonight we're cleaning a Quest water wash system. This canopy comes with cartridges instead of filters. Every night the water wash system comes on and we'll clean these cartridges and the inside of the plenum chamber through those water wash nozzles. We're running a test of the water wash system. You can tell how the hot water and soap clean the plenum chamber and the filters. This is the control panel for the water wash system. In the control panel there's a jug of soap, a timer, and a hot water piping system that picks up the soap and will run it through the plenum chamber and over the filters each night. Usually the timer is set for 3 minutes.